Hello friends, I am Bhujbal Pratiksha. So today I am going to talk about the nervous system. So the nervous system is a complex network of cells and the fibers that transmits a signal between different parts of our body. Then it is responsible for coordinating and controlling various physiological functions and as well as processing and responding to the sensory information. Then the uh, nervous system can be divided into two main components. That is, first one is the central nervous system and second one is the peripheral nervous system, that is PNS. Then now talking about first one is the central nervous system. So in this also called as a CNS. So first component is the brain. So the brain is the central control brain is the central control center of the nervous system, and it is responsible for processing and interpreting information between information received from the sensory organs and initiating the appropriate responses and coordinating various body functions. Then second important component in the nervous system is the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long and tubular structure that extends from the base of the brain down down the vertebral column, and it serves as a pathway for the communication between the brain and the peripheral nervous system. Then it reflects action such as pulling your hand away from the hot surface, and it can be coordinated in the spinal cord without direct input from the brain. Now second important is the peripheral nervous system, and it is also called as a PNS. So peripheral nervous system, it first one is the somatic nervous system, that is SNS, and this division control voluntary muscle movements and transmits a sensory information from the body to the CNS, that is central nervous system. Then the motor neurons carry the signals from the central nervous system to the skeletal muscles. Then it allowing for the consequence movement. Then second one is the autonomic nervous system, that is ANS. So ANS regulates involuntary bodily functions such as heartbeat, digestion and respiratory rate. Then it is further divided into a sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions. So it often have opposing effects to maintain a balance, that is homeostasis in our body. Then third and next important part is the neurons. So neurons are the basic functional units of the nervous system, and they are the specialized cells that transmits information through electrical and chemical signals. Then neuron has three main parts. So first one is the dendrites, which receives signals from other neurons, and second one is the cell body, which contains a nucleus and other organelles, and third one is the axons, which transmits signals to other neurons of the effector cell. Then neuron communicate with each other through the synapses, which are a junction where one neuron releases neurotransmitters that affect the activity of another neuron. Then fourth one is the supporting cells. that is a glial cells or the neuroglia, which provide a support and protection to the neurons, and they help to maintain the structure of nervous system and regulates the chemical environment around the neurons. That's all. Thank you.